Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to remove the time and the temperature from the Frameo Digital Frame in 2026. For that, first of all, you need to tap on your Frameo screen once in order to basically open the menu in front of you. So in the menu, you just have to tap on the option of settings in order to come inside the settings. Now inside the settings, tap on the option of slideshow. Now inside slideshow, you are going to see the option that says show weather and clock. So when you tap on this particular option, you just have to turn this particular option off by using the toggle button that will be given right next to it. This particular thing is going to remove both time and temperature from your screen. Now you can go back to the slideshow, and now your screen is going to basically show only the photos without any extra information. Now, if you don't want to remove the weather, but you only want to change the units, you can just go to the settings and tap on the option of My Frame. Here you can switch between the Celsius and Fahrenheit. And if the weather is enabled, you can tap on the weather icon on the screen. This is going to open the detailed forecasting, including 1 day and 4 day view. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.